going on, guys? It is absolutely sunny as crap out here. Hopefully everybody's having a great day. It was literally raining earlier this morning. It was a nasty day and the sun came out and it's actually pretty warm. It's really humid right now. Just enough. It's been raining just enough to make the grass have to be cut again. But anyways, we are starting the day out of going to go get the razor. Unfortunately, it's not running. We went back and forth on, you know, what should be done and everything, and it's going to have a complete rebuild kit, which is around like $1,500, and then all said and done, it's going to be around $2,500 to $3,000, and I'm really not ready to spend that much money because I spent probably around $2,000 if I only went probably 500 miles on it, which it probably does need a complete rebuild kit, because it does, but we only fixed the top end back you know, like a year ago, whatever, and the bottom end just basically crapped itself. So we would have to get a new rebuild kit and everything, which everything would be great, but I don't want to spend around like 25 to 3 grand on it because I'm literally not going to financially recover from this razor. There's no way I'd ever get my money back because I've just put too much money into fixing it. So I don't really know what we're going to do, but we're going to grab it, bring it up to the shop, keep it here until we find out what we're going to do, which kind of sucks for riding, but we might be going to go look at a new one later on, hopefully this month or something. Just depends on how everything goes. So we are back at the shop. As you see, a couple days ago we brought the razor home. It was actually a couple days ago. Brought the razor home. We was pulling it. Why was we pulling it? Well, the reason is when it's been at my friend's shop and looked over it and everything, and the whole bottom end is going to be rebuilt, and because we rebuilt the whole top end, which made everything on the bottom end, if it was weak, it completely messed up. And I'm thinking when we put the new timing chain and everything on it, that's really kind of what just blah. And for those, you can't put like crank bearings in them. You got to put a whole new crankshaft and everything like that. And basically we need a rebuild kit, and I am tired of fooling with that razor. I'm tired of it. I guess kind of expected if we built everything on the top end new, and then the bottom end we just left stock, and then it's one of those things. So I guess, you know, after the engine is completely rebuilt, should be good to go. I'm not dealing with it, so I'm officially going to be selling the razor, the guinea pig. I hate it, but I think the only really reason I hate selling it is because of the tractor tires and everything and lift. But that's okay, because me and Katie have been going to different places. We went to 2 dealerships and looked, but they didn't have any. I'm wanting a 1000 turbo razor, and I know people want to say go for Can-Am, whatever. Literally, I can get a pimped out razor for the same price as a Can-Am, like base model Can-Am. So no, I'm good. Probably end up just getting a razor for now. Later on, maybe we'll go Can-Am, but for now, I am just going to do a razor. But we're looking for a 1000. I want it solid black because I do plan on getting it wrapped. That's what I hate about the orange, because I can only do so much. So if I get a solid black one, I can have it wrapped whatever I want. So we're definitely looking for that. But we went to 2 of them. We actually drove almost an hour to one dealership. None of them. But I talked to the guy there, and he said where they usually sell about 10 units a month, well, per salesman, they sold like 30 some units, and now it's like on back order. He's like, but if you want one, I can get you one. And you know, when Polaris starts making them again or whatever, he's like, you'll be one of the first ones. You know, they make the purchased ones first, and then the showrooms. And I'm like, no, if I can't sit in it, and if I buy it, I want it right now. I can't. No, I can't do all that. So we're looking for a dealership around here. Hopefully we can find one that has one. My uncle was telling me about a couple a little bit away, but we're going to look and see if we can find one. So hopefully we can get 1000 turbo. Hopefully here soon for the channel. Kind of wanting that. But I am selling razors, so hopefully I can get a buyer and stuff for the razor, and that thing can go bye-bye. But the next razor we get, we'll be sitting them on either 35s or 37s on probably EMSA rims. Because those are what I wanted before, but they didn't have them, so I got the Rockstar 2s instead. But hey, you know what? Every downfall has a silver lining. So hopefully we'll get a new razor here soon. Right. So since we got the razor taken care of, we're going to remove this bed. First thing is, I think I got some screws here we're going to take loose. I just want to take the filler neck off. Tail lights, everything's off. I want to tuck the wires out in there. And then we should have a couple rolls of bolts. And we're going to take them off. So let's get started. Alright, so got all that out of the way. Alright, so we're 2 for 2. We're 2 for 2 on bolts. These are just the back bolts here. I think we probably have 2, 4, about 6 more to go, and we done broke 2. Which isn't bad, because I mean we're getting them out, but the thing is that I'll have to drill them out to put new. But I wasn't going to put these old ones in there anyways. But we're breaking every bolt. So after a while, and we're using a breaker bar and then an actual bigger bar. So when we get up on our truck, it's going to be a pain in the butt. But we'll get it. Alright, so we had 2 bolts back here break, but we had another 2, and then we had 1, 2, 1, 2. These was mounted on the side of the frame. These were actually like in the middle. So these are on the outer sides. Easy to get to. Got that right there. My cousin's coming out here, and we are going to move this bad boy on there so we can push it out and see what the damage is under here. Alright, so that's the only gloves I got. It's like really sharp over here too.
I'm gonna let y'all try.
This is my cousin Chris. He drives Fords. We're trying to switch him over to Dodge. Or Chevy. He's got a Chevy. He does. He's a Ford man at heart, though.
I like how you got some pink gloves on. He's got like highlighter yellow.
And you got like purple. It's like we're like legit. Like if you can't see your hands, something's wrong.
And my nails are long.
Doesn't say REC, because literally we're taking this off one time and we're not doing it. Let's go get back on and sit. All right, ready?
All we can do. We got wires.
You got wires?
Yeah.
Oh man, we just snip those. We gotta get that fuel.
Yeah, that's where I got crushed my hand under.
Here, just cut those wires. they?
It's your brake light.
Oh, is it hooked up or might just need to go up under something?
Yeah, but your side they do it too. Your side's getting ready to do it too.
Well, he just did something I can't do.
I'd be scared to do it right now.
I'm just saying, I built that little wooden thing so I wouldn't put
Too much faith.
faith in it.
And we're gonna have to cut this up.
Grab him some wire snippies.
Here you go.
Well, we did this in a frame it fell off, so we know the bed wasn't holding the frame together.
True.
Yeah. Alright, I don't know if it'll slide on that or not.
I don't know.
Ready? That thing still recording? Okay. What beat?
My phone.
I was supposed to.
Oh, I was like, don't flip me out over there, man. Can't slide up on there?
Go ahead and hit me. I'm moving.
Okay.
Sorry.
Alright, we probably need to go some more. Chris, if you want to hold that, I'll push this.
I don't say I'll hold it and y'all can.
Ready? I don't know if I'd leave my Durango parked next to this thing.
Yeah, that's right.
So I'd probably move it because I feel like if I'm going out in the morning, it's just going to be leaning over. Alright, so we got the bed off of it. Looks really good. The frame looks really good. Maybe it's a little surface rust, but we're going to clean it really good. This is just years and years of grime. But we're going to clean it. The gas tank's coming off. We're going to put new shocks on it. All new brake lines and everything like that. Check the leaves. We'll probably clean. We're going to clean all this up and everything. So it's going to look a lot better. Big shout out to my cousin. He's a girl. Was it MVP?
MVP.
Right there. Alright guys, so it is the next day. It was pretty late last night when we took the bed and everything off the truck. But again, big shout out to my cousin for coming out here helping. I had my other cousins come out and they were going to help, but we all had it sit off. It wasn't actually that heavy or anything, so that was a pretty good that it wasn't that heavy. But like I said last night, we had a boat here, here, a boat over there, there, and then here, here, and then I think it was here and over there. And of course you can see where the bumper was mounted. These two bolts broke. The rest of them came out really good. I just put some like PB blaster on them and let them soak for about 10-15 minutes. But it was still hard to come out. We got all that done. So we got the bed sitting outside. We're going to start cleaning this frame up and stuff and doing some stuff to it. Hopefully here the next day or so. But we're getting ready and end of vlog because I'm getting ready to start my another vlog because I've got another project going on. It's crazy, but I try to always do different projects. But we have a letter. We have some mail. We have mail, yes. I haven't checked the mail in probably a couple of days, so I'll have to check it. But we have a letter. We're going to go ahead and open it. All right, so let's open it. Well, it's already pre-opened. I always look at it because as soon as I get home, I'm like, woo! You know? So let's go ahead. I'm going to set this camera up so I can see. All right. All right, so we have a letter. Let's read it. It says, "Hey George, my name is, I think it's Xander so that's actually a pretty cool name. I've been watching you since 100,000 subs. It's hard to believe your channel. I mean, hard to believe you should hit that I should be about to hit 400K. So I made you a picture that's supposed to look like a Cummins logo, but with a G with the words "The Ghost." That's cool. Let's actually look at this real quick. Oh, that's cool. Check it out. Got the America. Woo! Yeah, America. The Ghost logo. And if you don't know what he's talking about, he's talking about my logo. Says, with your little ghost and the American flag. I thought it was time for a new logo, so I made this picture for you for your new logo. P.S. Tell Katie hi. Katie actually just left, but when I actually read over this and everything, I told her, I said, hey, Xander said hi. So she said hi back. So that is really good. Thank you. And I'm actually going to get a frame and stuff. I have a couple that I actually need to frame. I still have the other ones that I have from last year in frames, so I'll definitely get a frame for this. So thank you, Xander. Also, if you want to have your channel shout out or anything like that, make sure to send a drawing or something like that, or a note or anything like that in the description. There is an address for that. But anyways, guys, hope everybody's having a great day, and I will see you in the next vlog. And hopefully we'll be getting to start on this soon. I'm going to have to check and see if I can get that. I think it's Pour 15 at the local stores. If not, I'm definitely going to have to order it and everything like that. But at least we can clean this up. We'll get the gas tank off, and we're going to run all new brake lines and everything, and probably put new shocks on it. It's going to be pretty good. It's going to be a little cool project. Anyways, guys, have a great day.
Yeah.